Mastering Pronoun Possessive Case, your guide to ownership in English. Hello language explorers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the world of pronouns. But not just any pronouns, we're specifically looking at the possessive case. This is a fundamental concept in English grammar, and by mastering it, you can greatly improve your writing and conversational skills. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the possessive case, let's quickly recap what pronouns are. Pronouns are words that we use instead of a noun or a noun phrase. They help us avoid repetition and make our language more efficient. Now, when we talk about the possessive case, we're referring to a way that we can use pronouns to show ownership or belonging. In English, there are two types of possessive pronouns: possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Don't worry if that sounds complicated. We'll break it down in the next sections. Possessive adjectives are used to describe the object that someone has or possesses. They always need to be followed by a noun. Let's take a look at them. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Here are some examples: my book, her cat, our house. Moving on to possessive pronouns. These stand alone and do not need to be followed by a noun, as they replace the object in question. Here's the list: mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For example, this book is mine. The cat is hers. The house is ours. Notice how we don't need to repeat the noun in these sentences because the possessive pronoun already implies it. Before we wrap up, there's a common mistake we should address: the confusion between its and its. Remember, its is a possessive adjective meaning belonging to it. On the other hand, its is a contraction of it is or it has. For example, the dog wagged its tail. It is raining today. And that's a wrap on the possessive case. We've explored how these special pronouns can show ownership and belonging in English, and hopefully, you're feeling a lot more confident with using them. Keep practicing, and you'll master the possessive case in no time. Until next time, keep exploring, and happy learning.